Right, y'all. Hey, it's your girl Kina with SweetGemLife. You know what time it is. Time to unbox this November 2020 cloth and paper sub box. Let's get into this. Okay, now, y'all know how I roll. We always start with the menu card and go through the box in this order. So it says what's inside. Thank you so much for subscribing to our November 2020 stationery box. We hope you enjoy this box of our newest stylish designs we have created for you to use in your planning routine. Y'all, I'm so excited. I know y'all have seen the post from Cloth and Paper. I know you've gotten the emails. You know what's coming. Let's jump into it. Boom. First things first, we've got this 2020 spiral notebook. And the card says everything you need to get started planning for 2021 in one notebook with heavy duty crystal clear covers and a sleek black coil. Y'all, I was looking for something to use as a work planner. Boom, and it's arrived. Y'all, this cover, she wasn't lying, is very heavy duty. Yes. So I'm not going to flip through this entire thing. I will do a video setup of how I'm going to set it up to use. But if you already have cloth and paper inserts, you're not missing very much. So we've got this really heavy cardstock cover with the one that says 2021. And then it just has the vertical weekly lined inserts. You know what? Let's go ahead and flip through really quickly. So this belongs to page. We have a world clock, a conversions page, and then there's the 2021 year at a glance. We've got our list of holidays for 2021, and then it jumps into the first month. Now, it also comes with some other stuff that we're going to get into in just a second. So we have the start of January, and it says success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Then it jumps into a grid notes page and the beginning of the month. You've got a section for goals, important dates, and bills due with a monthly to-do list. It goes into your monthly view. And then you go into your vertical weeks. So that's January, February. February is not grid, it's lined. Interesting. March. April. Okay, so they're switching back and forth. So February and March were lined. April is grid. May goes back to lined. June, lined. July, lined. August, lined. September, lined. October, lined. November, lined. And that sound you're hearing are the pages here underneath the coil. Obviously, this was sealed and vacuum packed, so the pages are going to be just a little bit sticky when you use it for the first time. So that's the noise you're hearing, is the pages separating. And then December is lined. So that's kind of weird. Some of the pages are grid and some are lined. Not a big deal. And then at the end of December, we have a notes page. We've got some contacts pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pages. And then at the back, we have another heavy cardstock, and it says, raise your standards and the universe will meet you there. Nothing but the truth. So this is the 2021 spiral notebook. I'm so excited for this, y'all. I cannot wait to set this up to use as my new work planner. Next, we have this focused dashboard, and the insert card says the dashboards this month work exclusively with the new 2021 spiral notebook included in this box. Switch out the covers to easily change up the look of your new planner with this minimal design on black soft touch stock with white ink. She is telling the truth. It is very much soft touch. And it has a texture. I like that. That's very interesting. So that's the focused dashboard. Next, we have the Build Your Tomorrow dashboard. And it says, another spiral cover to try out with a quote to remind you that your future is in your hands. And it just says, today is the opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Very thick cardstock. So that is the Build Your Tomorrow dashboard. Next, we have the monthly tab sticker set. And the card says, want quick and easy access to all the months in your new planner? Apply these tabs to the black bar on each month cover page for seamless, easy installation, or use them on any planner you'd like. So, when I showed you guys the monthly pages, let's pull this open really quickly. Okay, March. What you would do is take the tab and stick it right over the black section, and they would, I don't believe they would overlap, but you'd be able to see all your months. So it wouldn't be, 6 months and then 6 months behind. You'd have 12 months straight down. So that's what these monthly tab stickers are for. Picking up this paper, it feels, I don't want to say it feels like a magnet, but it's really thick and heavy paper. So I'm hoping these will be virtually indestructible. And I can't wait to put these in. So these were the monthly tab sticker set. Next, we have this limited edition dated memo sticky note. And it's 3 by 3 inches. It's got this very nice, I think this is almost the Prosecco or the nude colored. And it says, one of our most popular functional sticky notes in a fresh new color. Only available in a limited run, and you get it first. Y'all need to sign up for this box. It says 50 sheets. I highly doubt there's 50 sheets on this pad. Yeah, there might be 20 on this pad, if that. But they're awesome, and they're just neutral enough for me to use in my work planner. So this is the limited edition dated memo sticky note. Next, we have the Prosecco Transparent Circle Sticky Notes, and it says, this month we are stocking you up on Prosecco. Enjoy the newest color for the Transparent Circle Sticky Notes. Perfect for layering on your spreads and dashboards. And then it's got a 2.75 inch diameter, and there's supposed to be 50 sheets, which it looks like there are 50 sheets on here. So I love this color. It's nice and neutral. No, it's definitely not the same color as the memo sticky notes. Definitely not. We're gonna have to find out what color these notes are. They look a little too dark for the linen color. I'll figure it out and get back to you guys about that. So these are the Prosecco Transparent Circle Sticky Notes. Next, we have the Prosecco square page flags, and it says, another round, anyone? Use the square flags to highlight important dates on monthly spreads or bring attention to tasks. And they are 1 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches, and there are 50 sheets here. Again, the Prosecco color is just perfect for keeping any planner neutral. So these are the Prosecco square flags. So these are the journaling cards for the month. And this first one says, make happiness a priority and be gentle with yourself in a process. And that's a quote by Bonnie Ware. The second one is the January journaling card in the very heavy cardstock. This third one says intention, mental state that represents a commitment to carrying out actions or plans. And then this last one says, let your experiences be your coach. And that's a quote by Tabitha Brown. So these are the 4 journaling cards that came in this month's subscription box. So guys, thank you for watching. This is the November 2020 cloth and paper stationery box. I hope you enjoyed this video because I cannot wait to set this planner up. If you did enjoy it, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can see what's coming next. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.